Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to use wire navigate in Laravel Livewire. So let's get started and let's see the example. Okay, so first of all what I will do, I will simply create some pages over here first of all, and let me show you. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply go here and I will create one page over here that's called post. Okay, and here I will say post and I will remove this. Okay, and I will also create users. Same thing I will do users over here. Okay, and let me go to the home controller over here and I will simply copy this, and here I will say post. Here I will say post. Same thing I will again paste and I will create another method that's called users, and let me go users, save it. Okay, and now I will create two blade file over here. Simply go and save it, and that's called post.blade.php, and simply save it. Okay, and I will copy this. Okay, paste it, and here I will say post, and let me clean this, and I will say list of post. Simply save it. Okay, I will copy this and I will create another blade file, and that's called paste it, and that's called users.blade.php. Okay, and here I will simply say users, and I will say users, save it. Now I will go to the layout file, app file, and here what I will do, I will simply give the URL. So simply copy this, paste it, and here I will simply say /post, and here I will give the name post, save it. Okay, and I will also add for a users, so I will add URL for a users, save it. Okay, and now if I go and refresh, you can see post users, and I will also add another URL here. So I will say and here I will say home, and I will add home URL. Okay, save it. Okay, and let me go and make it proper layout, save it. And if I refresh it, you can see that home post users. Okay, so if I click on it post, you can see that it's redirect on post. If I click on users, you can see that page is refresh and redirect on users. If I click on home, you can see that it's redirect on home. Now I will use wire navigate directive, and you can see the imagination like magic of that. Okay, so let me go here, and here I will be use wire navigate, save it. Okay, and here I will use wire navigate, save it. Okay, and here I will be use wire navigate, save it. Okay, and if I go and refresh it, and now if I click on post, you can see that. Now if I click on users, you can see that it's only getting data. It's not like page is refreshing. Okay, it's getting data and just update the DOM, and also you can see that in URL also it's going to change, but without refresh. If I click on post, if I click on home, you can see here. So you can see that this is the magic of Laravel Livewire navigate. Okay, so you can see here, so how easily we can use Laravel navigate directive, and you can use in your project. Okay, so I hope guys you understand how easily we can use it, and if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching guys.